Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Farm community. It is your host. Today we're going to be diving down into a brand new awesome NFT, which is called the NFT Challenge. But most importantly, you guys, they are looking to become a fantasy type gaming platform. They actually want to be the biggest whenever it comes to the crypto sector. Now, if you guys will, be sure that you smash up that like button to help this video get out to other people, but most importantly, smash up the subscribe button so you guys are updated on our latest videos, which are posted every single week. So let's go ahead and get into it. As you guys can see, it states NFT Challenge, July 22nd, 2022, times moon base. Be sure that you guys smash up that follow button so you guys can get the latest announcements. You guys can see that they got a total of 13,000 followers at this current moment, and they recently joined in February, so only a few months ago. So it's good to see that their project is growing massively. Now, if we take a look to the downside, you guys will see that there is a lot of important information. So as we already stated, that the mint is going to be on July 22nd, 2022. So any type of interaction with the suite will be considered for whitelist. So make sure you guys smash up that heart. Not only that, but make sure you guys do some retweeting. All right. Now, I will tell you guys at the very top of the website, you will see that they do have a link tree. So very important you guys check this out. So for the link tree, they got Discord, they got Twitter, they got Instagram, they got the website, and then they got their white paper. So if you go ahead and actually dive down into the website, you guys will see that it states right here, the Academy Collection. This is the NFT Challenge. You guys are going to love this. This is the next crypto fantasy on the blockchain. A collection of 3,000 original NFTs, which is technically known as the Academy, during the first stage, and 8,000 NFTs via airdrop to holders to be used on the NFT Fantasy Challenge platform on the Solana blockchain. So they have two different stages. So stage number one, as stated, is going to be 3,000 original NFTs. This is going to be what is known as the Academy. And then stage number two is actually going to be for the VIP, or it's going to be known as the MVP. If we continue down a little bit further, it states that NFT Fantasy Challenge platform created on the Solana blockchain, own gaming economy, royalties to owners and holders. Ladies and gentlemen, I am ecstatic. So right here, we got a button that states Launchpad. You guys will see that this is coming soon. So I would like to see everything that they got coming, especially whenever it comes to this Launchpad. I actually want to see how this works, because whenever it comes to, say, fantasy platforms, for example, like fantasy football and stuff like that, you get to pick teams, you guys, which is awesome. And your NFT is technically going to be part of that, which is awesome as stated. Now, if we go ahead and continue, we're going to click on team. You guys are going to see it's going to provide us information that states we are 100% Mexican creative team made up of entrepreneurs who want to have fun. So meet the founders. So obviously you guys can see right here that we have many different founders, right? Technically it is going to be used as a t-shirt, right? So right here we got the co-founder and we got the management, then we got the project lead over here, and not only that, you guys, we even have the artist. So obviously his is not popping up at this current moment. You guys can also see that they do have links here, so obviously that means that they are doxed. All right, and last but not least, I want you guys to dive down into the roadmap. So click on the button that says roadmap, and this is going to take us to a very important part. So it states that our roadmap consists of two main stages. As we stated earlier, we got the Academy, which will be developed in 2022. The stage called MVP, which will begin to develop immediately, finishing the mint. So the two stages consist of, we got the Academy and then we got the MVP, or if you'd like to, you can call it VIP. That is up to you. So if you guys would like to, they have two different roadmaps, okay? They are very, very important. But before we get into the roadmap, I want you guys to understand that they do have a white paper. This white paper is going to have a lot of information that you guys really need to check out. So we already know the strategy. The strategy is that they got two main stages, all right? So the first stage is technically going to be for capitalization, so they can build up capital, right? Which is called the Academy. And the second one is going to be used for the most ambitious, called the MVP. Below, they are explained as the following. So for stage number one, which is the Academy, it's going to be a collection of 3,000 NFTs that are minted on the Solana blockchain, will be launched. which will basically be a random pre-designed template composed of 11 players of 736 players that make up 32 teams that will play Equator 2022 World Layer. So all the templates will be made of, well, we got number 1, which is going to be goalkeeper. Then we got number 2, which is going to be defense. Then we got number 3, which is going to be midfielders. And then number 4, which is going to be forwards. And they will be represented by a shirt of the national team belonging to their number and assigned to the international tournament. It states that each of the 3,000 squads will be unique and players will be randomly assigned. So you guys need to understand that you don't get to pick your jersey. Got to make that very clear. You don't get to pick your shirt and you don't get to pick your jersey. Now, if we continue down a little bit further, you guys will see where it talks about stage 2, which is MVP. So the academy ends with obtaining a ranking, which is based on the number of points obtained with the NFT template of the original mint. So this ranking determines the amount of NFTs to be obtained in the second and ambitious stage. So MVP, it's going to start 100% of the mint after 3,000 of the stage 1. So what we're saying here is after all 3,000 in stage 1 have been minted, they are going to be kicking off the MVP. So it states that it's going to be a collection of 8,000 NFTs that will be made. The new NFT will graphically be the representation of soccer shirt, and each one will allude to one of the 8,000 most important soccer players in the best leagues worldwide. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So very, very important that you guys understand that. Now, if we continue down a little bit further, you guys will see that there's a lot of information here, right? Especially like game economy that anyone with a computer and internet can access to be part of the NFT Fantasy Challenge. Not only that, but it just tells you a whole bunch of things here. So I'd highly recommend that you check this out. They even have the royalties and business model. So it states that 15% is going to go to project creators, 10% is going to be for payment to investors, 5% is going to be prizes in Solana from stage 1 event, 15% is going to be external and social media launchpad airdrops marketing, 50% also is going to be stage 2 for the project. And then from stage 2, you guys can see right here, it states that 25 is destined to the maintenance, permanent security of the NFT Fantasy Challenge platform. 15% again is going to be for project creators, 10% marketing events, 35% is going to be prizes distributed to participants of the platform, and 15% to the holders and our owner of the NFT challenge of their NFT generates from its use of payment tokens. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, go check this out. Go check this out. All right, but as we stated, we even have a roadmap. So roadmap, we got the Academy and then we got the VIP. All you have to do is click on it right below. So in this case, you guys can see that we have the Academy. Academy, a lot of important information. So when you have the time, read this roadmap, okay? Read this roadmap. Even continuing on for the MVP, you guys will see that they have a roadmap here as well, which is going to be important, okay? So make sure you guys read the roadmaps so you guys understand exactly what you are getting into, all right? And last but not least, you guys, check out their socials. A lot of people here. Just click, say hello, make sure you verify yourself. So join the general chat. Not only that, you guys, but they even have Spanish chat. So you can go check that out as well. They even have another chat over here. Continuing to the upside, we got game rules phase 1. We got rewards. Not only that, we got announcements. We got official links. We got the mission. We got the white paper, roadmap. A lot of things here, you guys. A lot of things here. So go and check this out. As I stated, the mint is going to be on July the 22nd. All right, so July the 22nd. So try and get yourself whitelisted if possible. So other than that, you guys have a beautiful day. We'll see you later, and ciao.